Elecon Engineering Company Ltd, an industrial gear manufacturer. The company was founded in the year 1951 and later got incorporated in 1960. They are based in Gujarat with more than 650 employees and 1100 workers. Company has two manufacturing plants located in Gujarat, encompassing an area of around 83 acres. The market cap of the company is 10,984 crore rupees and currently trading at 979 rupees per share. The company has a 12% CAGR for 3-year sales growth and 38% CAGR for 3-year profit growth. The company is 100% debt-free, which is a good sign. The two main segments of the company are power transmission and material handling equipments. About 86% of the revenue is generated from power transmission and 14% from material handling equipments. Company has clientele from diverse industry segments. For power transmission, about 14% of the revenue is generated from steel, 7% from sugar, 10% from cement, 8% from power, 7% from material handling equipments, 12% from marine, 4% from mining, and the remaining 38% from others. For material handling equipments, 25% of the revenue is generated from cement, 55% from power, 4% from fertilizer, 5% from chemicals, 3% from steel, and the remaining 5% from others. The sales of the company for the last 4 years have been consistently growing. The profits of the company are also increasing year on year. There has been no drop in the promoters' holding in the last 4 quarters. We can see a small portion of foreign and domestic investments in the company, which are increasing from quarter to quarter. The public holding is dropping, indicating that foreign and domestic investors are buying from the public, which is a positive sign. Some clients of the company are National Mineral Development Corporation, SAIL, BHEL, NTPC, Ultratech, Shree Cement, Wonder Cement, Singareni Collieries, Chettinad Cement, and more. The company has good clientele from both government and private sector. Coming to some key highlights. Company is one of Asia's largest industrial gear manufacturers, with market share of 36% in India. They have more than 60 distributors for domestic market, and more than 100 distributors for overseas market. Company is largest supplier of stockyard machines and wagon tipplers in India. They export to more than 75 countries, with a revenue concentration of 29% from exports and overseas, and 71% from domestic. Company aims to take its export revenue to 50% by the fiscal year 2030. This has been a quick analysis of Elecon Engineering Company Ltd. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. See you next time.